Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can correctly apply video transitions, especially the same one to all of your videos in CapCut PC. Select a few clips and add it to your timeline, and for instance I want to add in some video transitions, but I want them to all be the same. Go to transitions and select the video transition that you want. For instance, this mix one, and just add it to your track. Here you can adjust the duration of the video transition. This, if you pull it to the put it to the right, it's going to make the video transition longer. If you put it to the left, it's going to make it shorter. I'm just going to put it somewhere in the middle, and I'm going to select apply to all to apply it to all of my clips, and it will basically add in the same video transitions for all my clips. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!